नवीन प्राण चाहिए, नवीन प्राण चाहिए। स्वतंत्र देश हो गए, नवीन प्राण चाहिए।
तेज अपार विक्रम, हर रहे तुम घोर भव भ्रम। मोह कृष्ण को मिटाने धरा है सन्यासी सान। हे विवेकानंद स्वामी, हे विवेकानंद स्वामी, दान करो संजीवनामृत। सुख भारत किया जागृत, समुद्र ही माद्री में छा गया मेरा ज्ञान। हे विवेकानंद स्वामी, हे विवेकानंद स्वामी, उठो जागो नींद जो अमृत की संतान सब। सिंह समतल गर्जन से जग सब चेतन आन। हे विवेकानंद स्वामी, हे विवेकानंद स्वामी, सकल जग के महाराज। अवतर निज धाम धर तुम साधन, जगत हिताय गान। हे विवेकानंद स्वामी, हे विवेकानंद स्वामी, हे विवेकानंद स्वामी।
Stop not till the goal is reached. Said by Swami Vivekananda. Namaskar and a very warm good morning to one and all present over here. Respected principal sir, guests, teachers, and my dear brothers and sisters. Today I, Minakshi Kumar of class 9, is given the responsibility to speak a few words on the significance of 12th January, that is National Youth Day. So as we all know that the reason behind celebrating this day is to commemorate the birthday of the great monk Swami Vivekananda. He was born on 12th January 1863 in a very educated, wealthy and respected family. His father Vishwanath Datta was the leading attorney of Calcutta. His mother Bhuvaneshwari Devi was a pious lady who had four daughters and prayed Lord Shiva to give her a male child. We all know Swamiji is a spiritual genius, but in his childhood he was so playful and frolic that whenever his pranks become intolerable, his mother would pour cold water on his head and utter Shiva's sacred name. Hearing it, he would perfectly become calm and silent. So this reflected his inborn spiritual nature. His birthday is celebrated as National Youth Day because he greatly believed in the youth of India. He said that only the young youth can take India to such a position that the whole world will salute us and know the strength of India. Swamiji's weapons of winning the world were education and peace. He has a great confidence in these two. He said that only these two were the paths to success and victory. He quoted, "You are the creator of your own destiny." He said this because he knew very clearly that our own soul can only show us the right path and build us. Our teachers, parents, and others can only show us and guide us. But it is our responsibility to get the knowledge, attain the knowledge, and go ahead by forwarding our footsteps. No one can help us in this matter, and we have to master ourselves in this case. These are only small things from the knowledge of Swamiji, and the reason behind why he had a huge amount of knowledge. is his curiosity and his guru Sri Ramakrishna Paramahansa. Swamiji had a number of questions on God. He had some doubts whether the God really exists. So he was very eager to meet a person who had seen the God. He asked a number of saints whether they have seen the God they worship, but none of them could satisfy him with their answers. So once he broached the subject with his relative Ramachandra Datta. And he told Swamiji about Sri Ramakrishna Paramahansa. So here starts Swamiji's new journey with his guru. Soon after his guru's Mahasamadhi, he took the sannyas life. At the last of 1888, he started visiting all over India as an wandering monk and stopped his journey at Kanyakumari. Throughout his journey, he was very upset to see his countrymen full of sadnesses and problems, and he was very upset to see their pitiful conditions. So he meditated on Kanyakumari in the mid-sea rock 3 nights, 3 days continuously on 25th, 26th, and 27th of December in 1892 to know the strength of India. After perceiving the solution, he decided to go to Chicago for delivering a speech on India at the Parliament of Religion. There he started with Brothers and Sisters of America, which made the audience to throw their attention towards him. There he explained very beautifully about the glory of India. So this is Swamiji, who dreamed for making India the Jagat Guru. So I would like to conclude my speech with one of his quotations. Take up one idea, make that idea your life. Think of it, dream of it, live on that idea. Let the brain, muscles, nerves, every part of your body be full of that idea, and just leave every other ideas alone. This is the way to success. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
সমগ্ৰ পৃথিৱীতে সকলোৱে জানে এইটো